is the Texas weather discussion video for Tuesday, the 24th of April. I'm Donovan Neal. North Texas weather trends nice and warm today. A cold front comes through tomorrow during the afternoon hours, and that could trigger some showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon hours tomorrow. But the rest of the week looks nice and pleasant. Let's take a look at the upper air look and talk all about it. We have that upper low spinning off to the east of us down here. We're in a dry air mass and a pretty cool morning. This is about average for late April. Arlington 53, DFW 55, mostly in the 50-degree range. Not too warm, not too cool. Across the nation, pretty light and variable, really around the nation. Maybe a cold pocket or two in Montana and parts of Wyoming, but that's really about it. We're starting to see true spring here. Take a look across the watch warning map. Pretty quiet across the nation this morning, which is pretty surprising for late April. And here are the convective outlooks for the rest of today. Any severe weather issues will be confined to West Texas near Abilene, Amarillo, and parts of Lubbock and the Lubbock vicinity, and parts of the Carolina coast in East Carolina. Average rainfall for the next 7 days. Most of the rain confined to parts of the eastern and northeastern part of the nation. And down here, we still could get around half an inch of rain, maybe even more in some spots for parts of North Texas. Again, that's anything that we see with that cold front coming through tomorrow. But take a look across the west and West Texas and parts of western Oklahoma, where they could see around an inch of rain, for especially in those areas where they desperately need it, where they've been in exceptional drought in those areas. But we'll just have to wait and see with anything that we get with the cold front tomorrow. So let's talk about it. Here's the GFS. This is the O6D run valid today at 1 o'clock. We have that upper low spinning off to the east of us down here. Pretty comfortable day. Again, with mostly sunny skies. Highs should be in the low 80s. Just a beautiful day. And now here's the situation for tomorrow. This is Wednesday. We have that cold front coming off, moving off to the south, and of course that means rain for most of West Texas and most of central Oklahoma, and some parts of North Texas can see some rain. So let's just time this out here using the NAM. This is the NAM at 1 o'clock. Of course, most of the rain will be confined to the north of us, though we could see a few sprinkles or a few showers during the afternoon hours. But then this is by 4 o'clock. Most of that rain moves down to the south and moves generally to the southeast. So the best chance of rain, of course, will come during the afternoon hours, but I think the best chance of rain will come mainly after 3 o'clock. And once that pushes off to the east, we should remain dry. Still mostly cloudy during the night, though. Highs should be only get to the mid 60s as a result of that cold front. But by Thursday, we stay dry, though we start the day in the upper 40s as a result of that cold front, but we should warm to the mid 70s, still pretty comfortable. And by Friday, we still should stay dry. Again, just a mix of sun and clouds. Highs should be in the low to mid 70s. Now here's Saturday as the weekend begins. Now Saturday, I think though most of the weekend should be dry with highs in the mid 70s, and the same thing on Sunday. Still mostly sunny. Highs should be in the upper 70s to low 80s. I think highs should be at around 80 for now. And here's Monday of next week. Some moisture starts to develop around here, and that could trigger the potential for maybe a shower or two, but mostly in the form of clouds. High should be in the low 80s. And here's a week from today, Tuesday, May the 1st. We have a trough. Mainly to the west of us and down here. As a result, that could set off the potential for some scattered showers and storms. Tuesday with highs in the low 80s. Now here's Wednesday, May the 2nd. Now we're gonna have to watch this trough here, because that trough may actually end up having some dynamic support to support the risk for some strong to severe storms across the central and southern plains here. Now, I know this is around 10 days out, but this is still something that we're going to have to watch very closely here. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days, we do basically stay in the 70s through most of through most of April, and then once April ends in May, and once April ends and once we kick off May, I think we'll start to see highs mostly increase to the low 80s. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today on Hornets in a Blog. Next video here should be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can't catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.